What is the name of the world's largest rainforest? Mount Everest is part of which mountain range? Which desert is the largest in the world? The Great Barrier Reef is located off the coast of which country? Which natural wonder is known as the smoke that thunders? In which country can you find the fjords of Geirangerfjord? The Grand Canyon is located in which U.S. state? Which river is the longest in the world? The Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, is in which country? Which island is known as the Galapagos of the North?